there's my house, I'm leaving it, that I've just found out is happening here in Firenze, this amazing antiques market. Look at this place. Look at this flea market, everybody.
Amazing.
It's amazing. There it is, my first big renovation right here. Exterior light. I am the happiest person in the world. I am in the most extraordinary place that I just literally happened upon. Of course they know Annette. This was brilliant. So Annette, if you're watching this, I'm getting this for Il Bagno. They're gonna put marble, antique marble on top of it. And then I'll find my lavandina later. Look at this place. Look at this flea market, everybody. I mean, it's unbelievable. It's just, I mean, you could spend days here, which I plan on doing at some point, but not today. I'm doing this piece by piece. So we ended up not going for the one that I just showed you and got really excited about, even though that was beautiful. It was a bit too high for the bathroom, so it would be good for like a kitchen. I may still get it for the kitchen, but we're going for this one here. So this is it. This is going to go into the bathroom, and this is much better, much better. It's much better size. I called Malcolm. Malcolm was like, you can't get that other one, it's too big. And then we'd have to put the sink in it, and I want a sink on top of it. So she's gonna find me a nice piece of antique marble, put it across there, and then we'll put the sink that I will eventually find on there. And she's gonna sand all this down and get it to its natural color, and then I'll decide later what color I want it painted. Phew. This is the marble right here that's gonna be, I'm gonna pick one of these today, that's gonna be placed on basically my dresser that's gonna go into the bathroom. But there's doors up there, like I'm gonna pick some of those old doors. I mean, this is just the outside. You've seen a tiny bit of the inside, but it is literally a treasure trove. But I'm gonna walk away with something else here today because I have to. Here are bed frames. The doors are what really interest me here. So I'm definitely looking at those doors up there. This is my marble. She's just cleaned it off. This is the marble for the table. Beautiful. Okay, I'm in heaven here. They've taken me into a completely another room with just all these wardrobes. It's insane. One of these wardrobes will be going into one of my bedrooms. Oh my, this is nuts. Crazy, insane. I'm in yet another room. I hope you're not getting bored of this, but look at the lights there. Curtains, just, it's everywhere. I'm gonna definitely get one of these lights. My cousins just bought something too, which is fantastic. Okay, I'm heading to this amazing antiques market that I've just found out. There's my house, I'm leaving it, that I've just found out is happening here in Firenze. So I'm super excited. You guys know how much I love vintage. In fact, I'm wearing a little tour of my street here. There you go. I'm wearing my 1940s dress. So I'm just gonna give you a little glimpse of that. So 1940s dress coming right up. Here we go. So this is my 1940s dress with my Italian velvet shoes. So I think I'm definitely dressed the part to head into this antiques market, which I'm really excited about, and hopefully that I find something. This is just my street. So one side of the street, I should say. So you can see how sweet it is. And it's beautifully colored and fantastic blue sky. Just wonderful and very, very quiet, which I like as well. So there's the square. I'm gonna head up here and look at the market. There are some noisy motorcycles behind me, but we're coming into the square now from a different angle. And this is the antiques market, so I'm gonna hopefully find something. I've already spotted a mirror that I quite like. But how lovely is this? Woohoo! So excited. This is like my dream come true. An antiques market, 30 seconds from my house. Amazing. Okay, this is what I'm going to get. This is this amazing serving tray because then I can take it in the kitchen, una cucina, and then up to the terrace. It's absolutely beautiful. It's like perfect. I'm so excited. We're here. We're picking, well, we hope, the floor. We're looking.
I told Julie this looks like a dump, but it will be filled with treasures.
And you're right. It is.
It's what's so fabulous about Italy.
Annette has just helped me choose, and she speaks Italian much better than I do. But so we're going for this one. This is going to be the first floor. So we then looked at these, and this is for the ground floor, kitchen and the sitting room, medievale, trattato. So, but look at all this that they have here.
Amazing.
It's amazing.
You go walk into what looks like a fish market, and all of a sudden you're in a fantasy of tile.
It's just unbelievable. Look at this. This is
Just like better and better though. Like I like this. Like you just keep look at this.
Look
color.
at that color.
Look at this.
Wait, what? That color is.
Look at this situation. The problem is there's so many beautiful tiles in Italy that you can't decide. It's horrifying.
Look at, these are just rows of it, and we're in this tiny shop. Okay, Annette and I, we've picked it out. Bathroom.
We're done.
We're done. She's so
Finito.
fast and so good.
Well, you have to be fast, otherwise
So
you're
fast.
going to be
So
525 years old.
All
before your
done.
house is-
Right. So I was literally doing yoga, and also my doorbell rang, and it was the electrician. He just turned up to finally do my exterior lights. Welcome to Italy. There's his car. Hello. He's amazing. Thank you, Stefano. I'm finally gonna have exterior lights. So I'm very excited. Okay, everybody, I am so excited because the light works. So you're gonna be the first people to see this light work. Super exciting. Wah! There it is, my first big renovation right here. Exterior light. I am the happiest person in the world. And then I'm gonna bring you around to the side and show you the other light. Okay, here it is. The light above here. So it's amazing. This works. I love it. I'm gonna keep these on because I'm about to go have an aperitivo with Annette. So I'm just gonna keep my exterior lights on so when I walk home tonight from the piazza, it will be all lit up. I can't begin to tell you how happy I am. I have 2 working exterior lights and the first renovation is done. My bathtub, La Vasca, that I found in a flea market has been shipped to Florence. It is now being restored. I'm using an amazing place in Florence called Alex Vache. It's incredible, so I'm so happy. I can't wait to see the final result. I have just arrived into Florence because, of course, Florence has opened up. I've been in Vivizzano, and this is my cute little room. It's literally in the heart of Florence. Like, I'm like a hop, skip, and a jump from the Duomo, but it's super cute. The only thing it's missing is instead of having una vasca, it has una doccia, which is a shower. I'm such a bath girl, but that's okay. So yeah, I'll give you guys the information down below where I stayed. And also it's really affordable. Like this is a bed and breakfast in the heart of Florence. That's just perfect for me and very affordable. I'm on Ponte Vecchio and usually there's queues of people here just to get right where I'm at, which is here. And there aren't any, which means I get to get here and show you wonderful, amazing Florence, and of course, Ponte Vecchio. Bellissima. Okay, I've made it on the wall. Perched myself up here, so you can see Florence. I have my sandwich. I'm so excited. There it is. You can see Ponte Vecchio there, but you can tell that there's still not a lot of people here, and it's true. So I'm here. I'm going to show you my sandwich. Of course, I went to the sandwich place, and yeah, lovely to be here. And I'm just going to relish these moments of peace with just not a lot of people here yet. All right, here is my sandwich, and I asked them to do vegetarian. I have a beer, obviously, there. So they did pecorino, arugula, there's aubergine down there, as well as pomodoro, zucchini, and tartufo, which is, it's like a, well, I did, that's truffle, but I did like a cream truffle, so that's my sauce. How brilliant is that? Yummy, and a beer. And here I am, Florence. So happy. Definitely a lot busier, even though it doesn't seem like it, than when I was here, gosh, a year ago in August. So definitely busier, but still not that busy. And I have to be honest, I have not heard one single American accent yet. So I'm hoping that the Americans are coming soon. Here we go. A day out in Florence. Wonderful. This is the most insane market. This is literally a snapshot, like a snapshot. It goes all the way around the building in the middle, and the building in the middle is filled with fresh pasta, fresh meat, cheese, fish, this, and then it goes all the way down there. There's my finger. It's unbelievable. There you go. Scuola dei Cuori. I'm gonna buy him a leather wallet here. Beautiful. Absolutely fantastic. Heading up the stairs, look at this, to the workshop itself. Incredible. Oh my gosh, I'm in heaven. Jack and I are I got a key ring, he has a wallet, and we're getting our initials embossed on it. I had to decide if I wanted to do JJM for Montague or JJH for Hinchingbrook, and I went with JJH. So here's where they pick out all the letters. Do you heat it up? Yeah, it gets heated. Oh yeah, fantastic. That's Jack's.
WJM, right?
See? JJH, there it is. Brilliant. Thank you.
Here I am. You all are amazing, by the way, because your tips for hanging my laundry on the last video have been incredible. So I hope I've done it right. Firstly, this is where my clothespins go. I probably could get a smaller basket, but it'll do for now. So no clothespins now. And I've basically taken all my laundry and put it inside out. Like many of you said, put it inside out so the heat doesn't, basically bleach it out or lighten it if you like. Right, first up is an inside out pillowcase. So here is an inside out pillowcase. It's inside out and I'm going to hang it so that it's inside out and you can see it's open there. And I think I've done the right job here. Right, By the way, if I'm doing, again, if I do this wrong, you must tell me in, in the comments below. So I'm gonna hang this here, and I'm also going to hang this one here. So it's kind of like open. I think some of you said to hang it open. So I hope that's open. Then I have my 1940s dress right here. So many of you said to hang it by the armpits. And again, this is inside out. So this is inside out. So I think I'm gonna go here, and then I'm going to snip it right there. I think that will work. Snip it right here. But let me know if this is better than the last couple of videos. Anyway, I appreciate all your comments. They've been literally invaluable. All right, I have been blowing this up for the past 20 minutes. My daughter's coming to stay with friends, and there's not enough beds. So obviously I haven't done anything to these rooms yet. So that's after the bathroom. So, and it's really hot here today. So I'm at my last blow up, I think. I've been doing this for 20 minutes. The reason I didn't film all this is because I didn't think you wanted to watch blowing it for 20 minutes, but things I do for my children. So I thought I'd film the last bit where I've got the blow. By the way, so I ordered this. It came and it didn't come with a pump. Like I couldn't read it in Italian. Like I didn't know when I ordered it online if it came with a pump or not. I mean, my Italian's okay, but like there are some words, I don't know what the word for pump is, or blow up bed. So I know letto is bed, but like I don't know what blow up bed is. So I didn't get the pump. So I've just been doing it myself. Oh, and how I've been doing it, I'm doing loads of laundry right now. And anytime I pass by this room, I do 20 puffs into the bed. So 20 breaths, I should say, into the bed. And then I pass it again. And then I do another 20 breaths and then pass it again. Anyway, I'm going back and forth. So I'm getting my breathing. I figure I'm getting my breathing exercise in by doing this, but I'm almost done. You're going to see me complete it. I'm super excited. This is the hard bit. Because like my nose is pressed up against this now. Okay, you probably saw it when I started. You're like, that's easy. She doesn't have a lot more to do. There's still a lot more to do. Okay. 1. Okay, it's pretty good. It's a good blow up mattress. I mean, as I walk by before she arrives tomorrow, I might like top it up a little bit more. Feeling a little bit weak. Oops, okay. I need to try it, right? Okay, I've blown it up. Let's just see. Yeah, air beds are comfortable. Like this is super comfortable. I think I've blown it up just enough. I mean, I'll watch it, a little bit as I pass by doing my laundry to see if it goes down, but this is comfy. Oh my gosh. This is wow. I mean, I might sleep on this tonight. It's so comfortable.